I am David Tietze, and I have been employed as a carpenter with Hanablitz for about 3 years. At first, I had an apprenticeship, and I have been a journeyman for a year now. Currently, we are restoring the Twin Towers, also known as the Julius Towers, of the new Hanover City Hall. Since I was born in Hanover, and the towers are the landmark of Hanover, it is really nice for me to immortalize myself, and to be able to tell my grandchildren or parents later on, I worked there, and I was part of it. I think that's great and wonderful. Personally, I think that the performance and productivity of Metabo tools is great. I enjoy working with them. They make you feel that you have really done something.
I'm Julian, and I work at Metabo as calculation engineer and project manager. David's statement that our tools make you feel progressing well gives us a great feeling. It's great to hear that our customers really appreciate the work we're doing here. It also makes the work of craftsmen significantly easier. The results of their work are also of high quality. It's a great feeling to see that I can contribute to make our world a little bit more beautiful, and that our tools are used to carry out large projects that make all of humanity a little bit better.